What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm in my dorm. I haven't posted in a while because I've been doing work and hanging out with friends and stuff, so it's been kind of busy, college, whatever. But 2 days ago, I think it was 2 days ago, influencer sent me a box, and they haven't sent me one in forever, but I re-downloaded the app and reviewed a few things, so they decided to send me a Trojan box. Very, very sexy of them. Like, okay. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a little unboxing for you guys and like let you know what I got, how much everything costs. And yeah, we'll get right into it. So I got this. I opted into it. They were asking if I was open to reviewing a vibrator, condoms, and lube, which is cool because those things are expensive. So if they sent it to me for free, then it's so worth it. So when you open the box, it looks like this. You can't really see the lube, it's just right there. I opened them a little bit. Ooh, you already know. But yeah, you get a little card like this, and it kind of just explains what the brand is to you. If you want to pause it and read it, you can go ahead and do that. Not really anything important, just tells you what to do, test out the new products, review them on influenster, and post on Instagram and Twitter. So yeah, pretty easy. So it came with the condoms. These condoms retail for like $10, and it comes with 10 of them. And yeah, I'll show you what they look like. Why not? These are the thin ones. You could get the thin ones or the red ones. And if you got both condoms, you didn't get the vibrator. A few people on the app were upset about that because, you know, all them ladies looking for the vibrator. But anyways, these are what the condoms look like. Kind of cute. Safe sex, you know. We love that. No babies. We're too young. Okay. Moving on. I also got some lube, as I said. I would like to say this is full size, definitely. This retails for about the same as the condoms, like $10, $9-10. And this is aloe infused, and it says release your inner warrior. Yeah, clear, doesn't smell like anything, which is nice. And it's also not super sticky. I know some lube can be super sticky and it's so annoying to like clean up and shit, but this isn't sticky at all. It's nice. And then it came with the vibrator. I'm just gonna put the box on the floor. So the vibrator comes in a box like this. This vibrator retailed for $25, which is pretty nice. I got a blue one, and it looks like this. The vibrator also came with a battery. Like, the battery was separate, it wasn't already put into it. And there is 3 settings for it, so you press this button right here. This is the first setting. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's not that loud, which is nice because a lot of vibrators are really loud. You press it down again, it goes to a lower setting, and then you press it one more time and it goes to the lowest setting, and then you can shut it off by holding it down. There we go. Yeah, so that's all that I got in the box. 10 out of 10. I really thoroughly enjoyed receiving these products because they're expensive and no one really wants to buy condoms, so it's really useful and really nice to Trojan. Yeah, everything works, so there's that. Would I recommend? Yeah, if you want it, yeah, you should get it. The lube, I feel like there's better lube out there, but this is good. Just a little something. The vibrator is good. She works. She gets the job done. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah. So, if you want to sign up for Influenster, I'll leave a link down in the bio. You can use my link, or you can just sign up. Whatever you want to do. Don't really care. It helps me. It helps you if you use my link. So, and if you review a lot of products and you link your social media, you can possibly get a box too. Can't guarantee that you'll get a Trojan box, but you can get makeup. If you're a mom, you can get diapers and like free coupons and stuff. Sometimes they do virtual boxes where you can you'll get a coupon, or you put your PayPal to your account and they'll tell you to buy something. You upload proof that you bought it, and they will pay you back in full for buying the item, which is real nice. So yeah, check out Influenster. Check out Trojan if you want some new condoms. This is their new line, the Willa condoms. I don't even know. I can't speak English today. But yeah, that's that. If you liked the video, leave a like. Let me know what you think of the video down in the comments. I know this one was a little random, but whatever. And if you like me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks guys, bye.